How to use Espoma Organic Garden-tone, a natural fertilizer for an abundant harvest of cool and warm season vegetables, like lettuce, tomatoes, and squash. For vegetable gardens, mix Garden-tone into the soil prior to planting. Apply 3.5 pounds per 50 square feet and work it into the top 4 to 5 inches of soil. When possible, mix with organic matter such as compost, humus, or peat moss. For established plants, use monthly, May through August. Sprinkle up to 1/3 of a cup of Garden-tone around the drip line of single plants. Or for row crops, apply 1 1/3 cup each side per 5 feet of row. To prepare the soil for potted plants, before planting, add 2 cups of Garden-tone per cubic foot of soil. Mix thoroughly. To feed potted plants, sprinkle 1.5 teaspoons of Garden-tone for every 4 inches of pot diameter into the soil around the outer edge of the pot. Water thoroughly. Repeat monthly. Espoma. Organic from the beginning.